Hey everybody, so I'm here in a parking deck and I saw a great example of an auxiliary drain for a dry system. So you can see here, see this dry system here, and off of it comes a drain. And then right down here, this is a nice easy view of it, so I wanted to go ahead and do a video. This is an auxiliary drain for the dry system. Code NFPA 25 2011 edition. We follow 2011 edition because that's what NFPA 101 Life Safety Code 2012 edition references. Code requires that auxiliary drains for dry systems are discharged, that you've got all the drainage out of it, all the water out of the system before the onset of freezing. So which would be whatever your season is for freezing. You know, some are a little bit earlier than others. Down here in Arkansas, when I was, it's later on in the year, right? So, but the reason that we're doing this is because it keeps the system, keeps the water out of the dry system, keeps it from expanding and freezing and busting pipes, right? That's the purpose of doing this. So if you don't have this on a regular PM schedule, you should annually at least, once a year, whenever it starts before freezing, add a PM to do this. So the section is NFPA 25 2011 13.4.4.3.2, and I'll put that down below. But really, all you do on an auxiliary drain system, you see here, so there's two valves, right? You got a top valve and a bottom valve. You never open the valves at the same time, because what's it going to do? It's going to release all of the air from the system, and which is going to trip your dry pipe valve. So what you do is you turn this one first, you release all the air into here, into your barrel. Let the whatever water, and then close this off. I'm not going to do this because clearly it's not my system. And then open this one, right? Drain it out, and you repeat that process until there's no more water left in the system. And that water, what it comes from is actually just condensation of the pipe. The heating and cooling of the pipe causes water to condensate on the inside. So this is the low point, and it all the water accumulates here, and that's how you get rid of it, is through the auxiliary drain. If you don't, like I said, then what's going to happen is this pipe right here is going to bust, or if there's water up through that, sometimes the sprinkler head will bust or something. So and it'll bust, and it releases and trips the dry pipe, and then it's a big mess. So take the time, add a PM to your CMMS system, and test your auxiliary drains, clean them out, make sure it's done before freezing. Thanks, y'all. Happy learning.